Meet the JTY-GF-TX3190C-F, a smart, wireless smoke detector designed for reliable protection with modern convenience. Using LoRa wireless communication technology, it delivers long-range, low-power connectivity, reducing installation costs and eliminating complex wiring. Built-in automatic compensation adjusts for environmental changes, ensuring consistent performance and fewer false alarms. With its integrated buzzer, the device can function as a standalone alarm for homes, offices, or small facilities. It also sends real-time algorithm data to the monitoring gateway and includes a unique ID for seamless integration with fire alarm control panels. Powered by a 3-volt DC supply, it operates on ultra-low current, covers up to 100 square meters, and performs reliably from -10 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The JTY-GF-TX3190C-F, dependable, efficient, and intelligently designed to protect what matters most.